Hello, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you're watching my channel Tot Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve the issues of all audio errors like audio services not running in Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 8. First of all, you have to do some you have to write some commands in the command prompt if the command prompt issue can resolve your problem. So first of all, you have to click on startup menu. Afterward, on the search bar you just need to type cmd, then you have to press enter. Once the command prompt would open, you have to type a command sfc space /can now. Then you have to simply press enter. See that the command prompt was showing that administrator running a console session in order to use the sfc utility. It means that you have to run the command prompt as an administrator. For that, again you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu, on the search bar, you have to type cmd. Now you have to run the cmd as an administrator. For that, you have to right click on this, then click on run as an administrator. Give access by clicking on yes. Now again you have to type the same command sfc space /can now, then press enter. See that verification was taking place and it was it. Then afterward you have to type exit, and now you have to restart your PC and see that your problem has been resolved or not. If this method doesn't work for you, then you have to type again a new command which was like this. Again open the startup menu, on this click cmd, type cmd, then run cmd as an administrator. Now you have to type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : then press enter. The type of the file system is NTFS, cannot lock current drive. Now you have to type Y over here, then press enter. Then you can see that volume will be checked the next time the system will restart. Now you have to restart your PC. For that, you have to type exit first on the command prompt. Now you have to restart your PC, and your system checking the disk drive would definitely take place itself once you restart your PC on the BIOS menu. So this was the two method. Hope one of the method worked for you. If any of the method worked, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If the error still exists, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.